International Code of Signals, or ICS, Annex 4 details methods for transmitting and receiving information using visual signals. While the full annex is extensive, the core method for single-letter signaling involves using flags, semaphore, or other visual means to represent letters of the alphabet. Each letter corresponds to a specific predefined signal. Transmission. Number 1. Signal selection. The sender selects the appropriate visual signal corresponding to the letter they wish to communicate. This is done by referring to the ICS Annex 4 signal chart or codebook. Number 2. Signal display. The sender displays the signal clearly and unambiguously using the agreed-upon method, flags, lights, etc. This requires precise and consistent execution to avoid misinterpretation. Number 3. Signal duration. The signal is held for a sufficient duration to allow the receiver adequate time to observe and interpret it. This duration is typically standardized within the ICS. Signal repetition. Signal may be repeated to ensure accurate reception, especially in challenging visual conditions, poor light, distance, and etc.
Signal observation. The receiver carefully observes the visual signal display by the sender. Signal interpretation. The receiver consults the ICS Annex 4 to decode the visual signal and identify the corresponding letter. Confirmation. The receiver may signal back an acknowledgement to confirm receipt of the message. This is often done using a standardized acknowledgement signal within the ICS. Message construction. The receiver assembles the received letters to reconstruct the complete message.